It's difficult to keep up with the current advances in the field of artificial intelligence, which is why it may feel like the future of AI is a swiftly shifting landscape. In fact, artificial intelligence is influencing practically every sector of human endeavor. With tools like ChatGPT and AI art generators gaining widespread attention, it is already the primary force behind developing technologies like big data, robots, and IoT. It will continue to be a technical innovator for the foreseeable future. About 44% of organizations want to invest significantly in AI and incorporate it into their operations. And of the 9,130 patents received by IBM inventors in 2021, 2,300 were AI-related. The evolution of AI. The way AI affects computers is one of the reasons for its impact on technology. In a fraction of the time it would take people, computers using artificial intelligence, AI, are able to harness enormous volumes of data and utilize their acquired intelligence to make the best decisions and discoveries. Since 1951, when Christopher Strachey's checkers program at the University of Manchester finished an entire game on the Ferranti Mark I computer, artificial intelligence, AI, has advanced significantly. Since then, technologies that rely on model and algorithm-based machine learning and increasingly place a focus on perception, reasoning, and generalization have been developed using AI, including the sequencing of RNA for vaccines and the modeling of human speech. With advancements like these, AI has reclaimed the spotlight like never before, and it is not about to relinquish it anytime soon. How it will change industries, in particular narrow AI, which executes objective functions using data-trained models and frequently falls into the categories of deep learning or machine learning, has already had an impact on practically every significant business. The proliferation of connected devices, strong IoT connectivity, and ever faster computer processing have all contributed to a significant increase in data collecting and analysis during the past few years. The Chief Technology Officer and co-founder of the customer relationship management company 4 Degrees, David Vandegrift, said, "I think anyone making assumptions about the capabilities of intelligent software peaking off at some point are erroneous. Big things are bound to happen with businesses investing billions of dollars annually in AI products and services, tech behemoths like Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon investing billions to develop those products and services, universities incorporating AI more prominently into their curricula, and the U.S. Department of Defense stepping up its AI game." According to Andrew Ng, former director of Google Brain and current head scientist at Baidu, a lot of industries follow this pattern of winter, and then an eternal spring. We could be in the AI's perpetual spring. While some industries are just beginning their AI journey, others are seasoned travelers. Both have a long way to go. Regardless, the impact AI is having on our present-day lives is hard to ignore. AI in transportation. One sector that is undoubtedly poised to experience significant change as a result of AI is transportation. AI will have an impact on many aspects of how we move from point A to point B, including self-driving automobiles and trip planners. Although they are far from perfect, driverless vehicles will someday transport us from place to place. AI in manufacturing. AI has long been advantageous to manufacturing. The industrial sector has adapted successfully to the capabilities of AI, with AI-enabled robotic arms and other production bots dating back to the 1960s and 1970s. These industrial robots often collaborate with people to carry out a narrow range of activities like assembling and stacking, and sensors that use predictive analysis keep machinery in good working order. AI in healthcare. Although it might seem improbable, AI is already altering how people engage with medical professionals. AI can identify diseases more quickly and correctly, speed up and expedite medication research, and even monitor patients via virtual nursing assistants, all thanks to its big data processing skills. AI in education. The use of AI in education will alter how people of all ages learn. Artificial intelligence. AI uses machine learning, natural language processing, and facial recognition to digitize textbooks, detect plagiarism, and monitor student moods to determine which pupils are struggling and which are bored. AI will eventually allow for personalized learning experiences for each student, both now and in the future. The near future of AI. In two areas, reinforcement learning, which deals in rewards and punishments rather than labeled data, and generative adversarial networks, GAN for short, which enable computer algorithms to create rather than merely assess by pitting two nets against each other. Some of the most fascinating AI research and experimentation that will have implications for the near future is taking place. The former is demonstrated by the skill of Google DeepMind's AlphaGo Zero, while the latter is demonstrated by the creation of unique images or audio that is based on learning about a certain topic, such as celebrities or a specific genre of music. AI has the potential to significantly impact environmental challenges, including sustainability, climate change, and the environment on a far larger scale. Ideally and partly through the use of sophisticated sensors, cities will become less congested, less polluted, and generally more livable. Once you predict something, you can prescribe certain policies and rules, Narstedt said, such as sensors on cars that send data about traffic conditions could predict potential problems and optimize the flow of cars. This is not yet perfected by any means, she said. It's just in its infancy. But years down the road, it will play a really big role. AI and privacy risks. The fact that AI's reliance on large data is already having a significant negative impact on privacy has, of course, received a lot of attention. The antics of Cambridge Analytica on Facebook and Amazon's eavesdropping on Alexa are just two of many examples of technology gone awry. Critics contend that without appropriate rules and self-imposed restrictions, the problem would only get worse. Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, criticized Google and Meta for their data harvesting practices in 2015. In a lecture from 2015, he claimed that they are consuming everything they can learn about you and trying to monetize it. We believe that is incorrect. In a later speech in Brussels, Belgium, Cook elaborated on his worry. Collecting enormous personal profiles to advance AI is laziness, not efficiency, he declared. In order to be truly intelligent, artificial intelligence must respect human values, including privacy. The risks are severe if we do this incorrectly. Many others concur. Anxiety over AI is reserved for its routine uses rather than a cataclysmic shift like the arrival of robot overlords, according to a 2018 research issued by UK-based human rights and privacy groups Article 19 and Privacy International. That's all for today. We will be back with another video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you for tuning in.